I don't know how me chilling with the birds downtown bother some people, you know. I don't understand. We're not doing nothing negative. We're not doing, it's not negative, you know what I'm saying? And plus, we do what we want to do, Telecuca. You do what you want to do. You've been doing it for 14 years. You drink coffee, you hang out outside. We outside. Tell her you've been doing that for 14 years. You know? How they gonna hate on you, Cuquita, cause you outside? You know? Tell her, when you been outside, you been drinking coffee, man. You know? Tell her. We been drinking coffee, man. She been on coffee, man. She been drinking. So what? 14 years, man. Whether y'all like it or not. You know?